Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file an unemployment appeal. First, carefully review your denial letter to understand why your claim was rejected. Pay close attention to the appeal deadline, which is typically a short window, like 10 to 30 days. Next, find the official appeal form, usually included with your denial notice or available on your state's unemployment agency website. Completing this initial step accurately is crucial for moving forward with your appeal. Now, let's gather your evidence. Compile all documents related to your employment, like pay stubs, your employment contract, and any termination paperwork. Also, collect all communications with your former employer, including emails, texts, or written warnings. These details are vital. Think about anyone who can provide factual testimony to support your claim. Their statements could significantly strengthen your appeal. With your evidence ready, it's time to complete and submit your appeal form. Fill out every section accurately, clearly stating why you believe the initial decision was incorrect. Attach all your supporting documents, making sure they are well organized. Submit your appeal before the deadline, preferably using certified mail or an online portal that provides a confirmation. This ensures you have proof of timely submission. After submitting, you'll likely receive a notice for an appeal hearing. Prepare by reviewing all your documents and practicing how you'll present your case. During the hearing, speak clearly and calmly, answering all questions truthfully. The hearing officer will make a decision based on the evidence. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book about money, *The Simple Path to Wealth*, as well as other helpful deals. Good luck with your appeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.